Says Okura Hotel. Look at the lobby. Breakfast. Bagong-bago. Look at the ambience. Ganda. With the piano. Pinakabago sa Newport. Ganda. Different. Para ma-enjoy nyo. Something to relax. Look. It's a Japanese. Ganda, oh. Kita nyo? Napakaganda. God is good all the time. Bring your family here. Mag-save kayo. There's a semi-function room, oh. Ganda, oh. With a piano. Galing na nagpa-piano. Oh, look. Ganda na ambience. See? Tapos meron pang serenity stones, oh. Look. Let's look at the pastries. Ayun. Ang cute naman. Look.
Sige, papasok na.
Yan, ang cute. For Mother's Day.
Na-traffic na.
Yan, oh. Look. Mother's Day na sa Sunday. Strawberry lychee roll, mocha mango roll, raspberry, strawberry cheesecake. Look. Ganda. Look. The interior. Let's look at the side. Parang bonsai ang salad. Look, fresh. Tingnan ninyo. Look at that. An indoor hydrophobic salad bar. Dito nila kinukuha yung salad. Oh, look, oh. Hydroponic. Sabi mo, sariwa yung lettuce on water. Wow! Grabe. Ang sarap. Very clean. Hope you enjoyed it. Going upstairs now.
Ganda, no?
Oo.
Yeah, di ba sabi